The Samsung Galaxy Note Fan Edition needs no introduction. In fact, no device we can think of has garnered more visibility while its actual release was so limited in size and scope. The Galaxy Note Fan can arguably be tagged as a simple reincarnation of the Note 7, and that is certainly a valid observation. Samsung chose to refurbish a large selection of returned devices. Using salvageable components from the beleaguered Note 7 series, Samsung was able to reduce gross waste, and even extract materials that could be put to use in other products. During the time that was taken to tear down, reclaim, and recycle all the returned stock, Samsung continued to make progress with its other smartphone products, particularly with its flagship Galaxy S series. The end result, by making only 2 significant changes, Samsung made something that is actually a little more, and a little less, than what the Note 7 was. Display. Bright and bold, the Note Fan's AMOLED panel will not disappoint. With 2K resolution, the Note Fan carries on with Samsung's penchant for making vivid AMOLED displays. Though, the 16:9 ratio is arguably an outlier among flagships this year, the arrangement makes sense for a device with a suite of functionality baked in to utilize the S Pen. Even with momentum of big-ticket video media making the push to a narrower aspect ratio, like 2:1, the 5.7-inch has plenty of room to let you take it all in. With the new Samsung Experience UI, the resolution is set to FHD by default. In addition to kicking the pixels into high gear at 1440 by 2560, you can also opt for the more battery and processor-friendly HD of 720 by 1280. That noted, users will be able to discern subtle differences in UI fluidity when changing resolution settings, but after the initial switch, you still have to look closely to really see the difference overall. In addition to being able to swap through resolution settings, Samsung lets you switch between different screen modes that adjust the color characteristics of the display. The default setting is Adaptive Display, which tends to bring you all the color. Indeed, saturation is pretty high, maybe too high for some users. AMOLED Cinema places the display in a mode suitable to playing HDR10 video. AMOLED Photo puts settings in the Adobe RGB color space, and Basic places colors in the standard sRGB scheme, which is arguably the best option, but beauty really is in the eye of the beholder. On this unit, the Adaptive Display pumps up all the color to 11, while AMOLED Photo seems to deliver the best all-around balance.